Hello, friends. This is Karen Watson. I ran into a little bit of a glitch today. I thought, hey, let's do a real quick video because every once in a while this is going to happen to you as well. I love how Forever has made it so easy for us to download art packages now. All we need to do is go into Manage Content, import purchased items, and everything automatically comes in and it curates all of our activation codes. Every once in a while, you run into this. So this is one of the new art packages that I just got. You can see that it's locked. The reason is for whatever reason, and I did have a little bit of hiccup with my computer today, so I don't know if it's on Forever's end, my end, whatever. But like I said, every once in a while this happens. So what you need to do is manually add your activation code. So if this ever happens to you, do not freak out. All you have to do is you can go to the email that you get a confirmation email, and you'd want to copy and paste the activation code. If you open those up, you'll notice they give you the name of the art package and your code. The other way is you can go into orders. So under my name, it has a link to orders. So this is the one that's at the top right now. This is actually the easier way because if you notice, there's a little button right here. This is copy. So I don't have to manually copy. If I was going into the email, then I would just highlight this myself, right click, copy, or Control C for copy, and then I would go over here and paste it. But the fact that it's got that little easy button, that makes it easy. So I'm going to go to activation codes, add a new activation code, Control V as in Victor. That's my activation code for that particular one. Okay. And it tells me curated colors gold alpha set. Close. I'm done. That's all it takes. I'm going to click refresh. It did not go away. So at this point, if it doesn't go away, what you want to do is you want to close the program, open it back up again, and it should be fine. All righty, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.